Hotels are currently using a variety of systems to organize and analyze guest data, but mostly, the systems are not connected with each other. Guest data is spread everywhere and cannot be used in a profitable way. The result is that right now, each hotel has up to 30 different profiles stored for each client. This has negative effects on all areas of the hotel. But in order to win the race for the guests, hotels need to know who their guests are. DailyPoint 360 is the solution for an intelligent data management and CRM covering the complete customer journey in one open system. It unifies and cleans data of various sources to create one central profile. It is the holy grail for your success. AI is being used to enrich this profile with more information, so you gain deep guest insights for the first time. The result? A self-learning profile for each guest. DailyPoint 360 provides a total of 16 modules built around this central profile. This opens the door for an intelligent customer relationship management in all areas of your hotel. And on top of that, the DailyPoint Marketplace offers integrations with many leading hospitality software solutions. DailyPoint enables hotels to provide a better guest recognition. Data is coming from various sources. Hotels hold up to 30 profiles for each guest. Hotels use the PMS as leading system, which is not the right tool in a big data environment. How does the solution work? DailyPoint cleans your data and creates one central profile. You pick the modules relevant to your business. You use that data along the customer journey. You finally become guest-centric. Boost your service. Increase loyalty and direct bookings. Make better decisions. For more information, please visit www.dailypoint.com.